So what is my to-do on my list for this fall? Well, I am going to extend my raised bed. I have a 4-foot by 4-foot raised bed that I used with 2x6s, and it just needs to be a little bit deeper. I'm going to be planting garlic in there this year. So as you can see, I've got my lumber and I've got my 2x6 4x4 raised bed. Just a note, I use either cedar wood, or in this case, here's my raised bed, I will use cedar pickets. And this actually is pine. I've used pine in the past, and a lot of people say, oh, pine's not going to last. Well, I've had pine boxes just like this, and my last garden beds that I actually just ripped up in order to build my greenhouse, they were in the ground, kind of like this for 15 years. And they were starting to rot out. But, I think pine, it's very cost effective. And of course, I always get lumber, whether it's cedar or pine, that's not treated. So just because we are growing food and I don't want anything leaching into the soil and into my plants. Hey everyone, it's Laura. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up, hit that notification button, and most important, share this information with other people that could use this information. So the first step that I'm doing is I'm just laying the 2x4s. They're cut 4 feet long. So I basically set it out here, make sure none of the boards are warped out. And then I will be drilling holes before I screw them together. I'm going to use a 4-inch decking screw. And I got this at a big box store. I bought a pound and it's about $15 for the screws. So as you can see, here's my screw holes. And now I will screw the decking screws in. The decking screws for the corner supports, I'm going to be using 2 1/4 and 2-inch outdoor decking screws. So I've just finished. It's a pretty easy job. Everything is screwed in and I've got an extra level. And now I can plant my garlic seeds. So